The workers thawed the lobster heads with water, cleaned them with a brush and arranged them neatly, then poured them in a wall breaker and ground them into shrimp mince mixed with the rich flavor of shrimp yolk, which is one of the raw materials for making shrimp chips. The worker pours the prepared shrimp mince in the blender and repeatedly softly with sweet potato starch. During the mixing process of the machine, the worker checks the softness of the dough and needs to keep the dough at the level of hard dough at all times while ensuring that the starch and shrimp heads are mixed well. After the treatment, the worker puts the dough on the table and pats it hard to make the dough structure tighter. Then they are rolled into long strips, laid out on the prepared greaseproof paper, and put together in the steamer for steaming and battering. After 40 minutes, the dough is fully steamed and then refrigerated for 24 hours to make the dough so hard that it is difficult to process it by hand. So the worker will put the whole dough in the cutter, cut it evenly into 2 mm slices and drop it in the iron frame prepared by the worker in advance. After the cutting is completed, the workers lay the shrimp slices flat and then put them together on the shelf for drying. Some of these dried shrimp slices will be packed directly, while the rest will be repolished into pellets. This can be done by different models of extrusion puffing machine. Under the heating and pressure of the spiral head, it only takes a second for the pellets inside to be instantly puffed, forming the equivalent of the mold shape and ejected. Using this puffing process, workers will be part of a round cake, followed by a layer of syrup on top, then wrapped in a layer of fried shrimp. Shrimp cakes are made. Follow me next issue to bring you more interesting science knowledge.